Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be installing a push-to-seal pop-up drain assembly. So a couple different reasons why I chose this style over the standard lever-based pop-up assembly. One, I think it's easier to install and maintain over time. And two, I think the faucet style just looks a little bit better without the lever. Now there's several different styles and models that you can find in the pop-up assembly, in the push-to-pop assembly. But they all pretty much install the same way. So let's get to it.
First, we're going to remove all the pieces from the drain assembly except for the thin black washer at the top. The thin black washer at the top is going to be used to create the watertight seal between the top of the drain assembly and the sink bowl. If there's no washer present, you will need to use plumber's putty to create that seal. Next, we're going to thread the mack washer up the drain assembly with the narrow end facing up. Then we can take our mounting nut and thread that up the drain assembly as well. Before tightening the drain assembly down, we want to make sure we add the cap and the washer for the P-trap. Once that's done, we can go ahead and slide the drain assembly into the top of the P-trap and then start to tighten everything down. For more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get alerted as soon as the newest videos come out.